How's it going, everybody? Mike here with investtheory.com. I just wanted to break down one of the swing plays that I got into last night and show everybody why I got into it. So here is the daily chart of Activision ATVI. And this was the stock that I bought into. So before I take you to the hourly chart, which is what I base my trade off of, I wanted to point out this nice little support level that we're seeing right about here. So this is the bottom of our little price channel. Now the top of our price channel is going to be right about here. So you see the price is going, it burst through, but boom, it came right back down to the bottom and it's just trading in this. So when I saw that it was back to the bottom, I hoped that we would get a reversal, and a reversal is what we got. So here is the hour chart. Now, you just saw me draw these lines. Obviously, they're not pretty, they're not straight, they're whatever. I just quickly drew them. But you can see that this channel almost played out pretty well. So this is where I saw this play, was right here. And the reason why is two things. One, the full stochastics and the MFI. So, of course, MFI don't lie. When we're in oversold conditions down here, I know that there's going to be a reversal. And you can see, look how the MFI comes up and it comes right back down, just as the price goes up and it comes right back down. But this is what I like to buy at, right around here. We see the stochastics, they go down, they start to curve up, our MFI is curving up. So I actually bought on this last hour of the day candle. I will admit that had I seen this candle and I had seen ATVI earlier, I probably would have bought here. Granted, that would have been of a longer hold, but it was a swing play, so it wasn't too bad. Not a lot of action yesterday. But one of the things that I really liked was the bottom of this channel. Now, like I mentioned, it comes down to this from all the way back here, up, 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 it breaks up. This would have been a great trade to take long term, but when it gapped down, it came right back. And here we are again in this same channel. Boom, comes back down. So my hope was that because MFI was oversold, and along with the stochastics, that this was going to be a solid trade. Now you can go back and you can see that MFI hasn't been this low for the past month. Stochastics have been, and you can see what happens with the stochastics when they get oversold. Boom, we get a nice little ride up. Right here again, we get another ride up. Right here again, another ride up. This is another ride up. So it only makes sense that we're going to continue to see this trend. So this is why I bought this trade right here. Of course, the morning opens. We purchased at $45.95. Stock goes from $45.95 all the way up to 47s. Now I was really hoping to stay in this trade until 47, but my hands were weak. I cut this at 30%, locked in the profits. This ended up getting about 50%, and then it's pulled back in this last hour. But this just shows you guys what a stock channel can do when you combine it with the stochastics and the MFI. So this is Mike with Invest Theory signing out.